Do you guys want to see the smartest cat in the world? You're so smart. Good job, Cleo. Ah!
好像啊，变魔术。
It's a man. Oh my god. He said, I don't care. Oh my god. That boy said, I don't care.
Sir.
Winston?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we had to buy you food. Please, thank you so much.
Winston?
You guys, I'm really scared. Someone replaced my cat with an otter.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
I come home to every day.
Hi, Thor. Hi, Thor. How you doing?
We can explain.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Oh!
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
Tell me your cats are spoiled. Without telling me your cats are spoiled, I'll start.
Hey, shh, what's the problem here? Is he in your bed? Who took your bed?
Stop. Motherfucker.
Watch how excited my dog gets to see the mailman versus my husband.
Sit, Odin, sit.
Odin. Hey, buddy. Where's my good boy? Hey.
Odin, it's Dad. Give him a kiss. Oh, he just rejected you. I know his feelings.
I owed him up.